welcome back to Walmart Wednesday. I have all new stuff for you. Yes, again this week. Liz, how do you do it? I don't know. Anyway, you guys, let's start out with the jewelry. Start out the right way. Forgive me for playing with my hair. It's just one of those days. It's raining and I've got a lot of product in it. You guys know how it goes. All right, starting out with my U-shaped gold earrings. Have not worn these in a while, you guys. These are from Target and I love them. I actually just put one ring on from a Target trio of rings, and then my favorite Walmart one bracelet. Yes, this is one. I think I've shown you this several times, but no problem showing it to you again. So it's all one. It's gorgeous. It makes a statement. I love it, and it's comfortable and light. It's also what I love about it. And then wearing my gold coin necklace, which has a very, very thin actual necklace part and chain. And then that is just that little coin with Queen Elizabeth on there. All right, you guys, check out this dress. Oh yeah, and carrying my straw clutch bag. Make sure you get this for summer. I think this is my third summer in a row. And you guys, honestly, it has stayed in great condition. I have to laugh. I think remember these days, there's a mask in here. Doesn't it seem like 100 years ago? Anyway, I'm gonna back up and show you this cute, I almost said so cute dress. I'm making up my own language already. This cute dress from No Boundaries. What is wrong with me? I absolutely love it. I picked it up in store. If you guys watched my Easter/spring dress haul, I had a similar completely straight dress with a very similar sort of neckline up top in a really pretty pink color. This one is obviously in black. It's a little different as this one has a vertical rib pattern to it. You probably can't tell on the camera here, but it also ties in a knot right here and you get a little peekaboo. It's padded, you guys. You don't have to worry about anything. I also kind of liked it like this. Now you have to be 100% positive it's gonna stay up if you're gonna do this. But I did like the way that looked, that little cute sort of off the shoulder. I thought that gave it an entirely different look. I'm wearing my nude high-heeled sandals with a little knot bow on top. I'll put a picture up here on the screen for you. These are my favorite. They are by Madden NYC, I believe. And then here is the back. Now this dress is pretty bodycon. I'm wearing it in a size medium. So I just want to let you know that I am wearing the shapewear with it. I just feel more comfortable that way, but honestly, no lumps or bumps. Pretty smoothed out in this one. But again, size up one, absolutely. So I am wearing it in a size medium. I love the way black dresses, and I talked about this in my video, one of my videos last week, look with light nude accessories. It's that season, you guys. You know I love this. All right, and I'm going to show you this lip combo. You see me moving my lips around. I just made a reel over on Instagram, and part of my reel was putting on some lip gloss. You know, I try and get a little whole skit going in those 15-second reels, so make sure you check that stuff out. All right, I am going to change into my next outfit because I have plenty of stuff to show. I am back with my next look. You guys are going to crack up. I can tell you something funny that went on behind the scenes. All right, let me go over my jewelry. I am wearing the gold diamond earrings, and I switched to my stretchy bangle bracelets from Target, and same ring as last. See, and I did take my necklace off because we've got quite a lot going on, the pattern of the shirt, which is totally fine. Oh, and I'm also carrying my fave bag by Scoop. This is in a black patent leather. It's gonna go with everything all summer. You can dress it up or down. I thought that this outfit is perfect for work. I'm wearing the Madden NYC flare leg pants. These are nice and stretchy. They are kind of a low waist though, the rise in them, so keep that in mind. You guys know that I am short-waisted, so this top is really cute. It comes in right underneath the bust, and it's a peplum. And you can kind of gather that from looking at this, but you guys, I have no torso, so I didn't like how it looked, so I tucked it in. Now, do you tuck peplum shirts in typically? No, but I did, and you'll see that it looks much more flattering on me. Tucked in. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below, but I will now leave it untucked for you so that you could see exactly what the shirt looks like. Here's the back. These pants are pretty form-fitting. I think last time I showed them to you, I did mention to size up one if you planned on wearing them to work. I think you'd feel more comfortable. Not tight, there's plenty of stretch in them, but we all don't want to wear like bodycon pants to work. So up to you, and depending on where you carry your weight as well. I carry it down here, so I'm very curvy, and I would not be comfortable in fitted pants. You guys know what I mean. Also wearing my, these were my Edelman, Circus by Edelman shoes, I believe. But I can link the Madden NYC pair right here that looks just like them if you want to get this entire look. So I've been trying to bring you guys at least one office look each haul if possible, so that you have things to wear to work this summer. Because if you're like me, you know, you go to work and that's where you are a lot, where you're dressing up a lot. Sometimes at home we're mostly wearing athleisure type clothing. So if you want to dress up and go to work in these cute clothes, keep following me because I promise I'm going to show you more workwear. I think I kind of got away from it for a while. We're back. And let me know what you think. I'm wearing the Peplum top in a size small, plenty of room. You know, Time and True is very forgiving as well in their sizing. All right, you guys, let's get to my next look. I am back, and guess what? I think I have a potential office outfit on. Now, maybe not the shirt because, you know, lace and crisscross right here, it might be a bit much, but we all have black shirts. In fact, this one that I showed last week with a little knot from Sofia Vergara would work with this outfit as well. And I'm sure I will be showing you more black shirts throughout the season. Anyway, you guys, let's start with the jewelry. Same earrings as last time. I did add my black stone ring, and I also put on my large gold medallion necklace. But yes, you guys, check out this shirt. So cute. It's like $6 or $7 from No Boundaries. I love all the detail, the lace trim. I love the V-neck, the crisscross, all of it. It's in a pretty stretchy rib material. And I'm wearing it in a size medium, like I always do with No Boundaries. All right, check out these pants. I showed you these last year, maybe in a different color. They're kind of like the linen pants, but you guys, whatever they're doing with the linen now, I actually love, because they're mixing it with something and it's no longer that linen that gets super baggy and wrinkly, etc. And they also made them a decent length this year. I remember last year, they were like dragging on the ground and everyone was sort of complaining. I was just looking because it looks like they made sort of a cuff at the bottom, which is even cuter, nice and finished. Its pot has, wow, they have pockets, stretchy, no drawstring. I think at one point they did have a tie. I love this pair. I'm keeping this pair. I will be wearing them to work all summer. And two cute little pockets in the back. Another possible addition. I can't remember because I did not keep mine last year based on the length and a couple other things. Also, I have to tell you, they run pretty big. I'm wearing them in an extra small. I did purchase these in store, so I was fortunate enough to be able to hold them up and go, yeah, these are gonna be too big in the small. So these are actually perfect. You guys know I'm 5 feet 5 inches, and I'm gonna show you the shoes I'm wearing so you could figure out the length for yourself. Not tall at all. Remember these, you guys? I think I did show them recently again. They do have them in stock as of right now, and that heel is not that big. So let's say this is a 2.5, 2 inch maybe heel, and me being 5'5", I think they made the pants a perfect length. They finally nailed it. I've shown them 3 summers in a row, and this year I'm finally keeping them, if that doesn't tell you anything. Oh, and I had a purse, sorry. You guys know every time I film a reel on Instagram, I throw my purse across the room. In the video, it looks cool, but the reality is I'm really whipping it, but I speed up my videos. You'll have to check me out over there on Instagram at Life and Style by Liz. But I love this crossbody fanny pack, and I thought it looked really cute. It's nice for summer, you guys, when you just want to chill at night and you don't want to be bothered hanging on to something. I think this whole outfit looks good. You guys know I love black and gold. And then the nice thing about this one, you don't just have to wear it as a fanny pack. Here's the back. You can wear it with like a cocktail dress, and it really looks cute because of that gold chain. And I'll back up and show that to you. It really does. This is like your all-purpose. I believe I wore this. I did. I wore this all the time when I went to New York City back in the fall. And it was so nice not to be burdened with a big shoulder bag. All right, you guys, 2 more outfits and we're gonna get to this lip combo. I'll be back. I am back, you guys, and this is another cute look made up of one Walmart item that's new. You guys know that this is my scoop blazer and you've seen it. Well, let me go over the jewelry first. I am wearing my initial necklace. Now, it may look to you like the coin necklace, but this one's different. Here's a picture of it. It comes with 2 necklaces. I always just wear the one. There is an L for my initial on the little circle, which I love. I'm wearing the gold filigree earrings, and I put the other stone ring on this time. Grabbed my Rachel bag. You guys know I love this. It's only 20 bucks on clearance. It's so cute. I love to wear my black and neutral and then grab this bag to jazz it up a little. Yes, I'm wearing my Madden NYC clear strap sandals, kind of out of laziness. I have some cork wedges that I need to bring up. I'll show you a picture because they're available. They're downstairs in my basement. I need to bring them up. They're so cute and they really look nice with denim outfits. All right, so you guys, let me back up and show you the full thing and then we'll get into the details. So this entire outfit was born out of one pair of jeans. It's the free assembly, I believe they're the 90s straight jeans. They'll be linked below as always. Now, I knew there was no spandex in these. This is, you know, the 90s jeans never had spandex, right? So I sized up and I'm glad I did. These are a size 6 and I think they're cute. They're just a straight leg. They're not flaring, they're not skinny, and they're not tight on my leg, which I like. I think I tried on a pair of free assembly back in the summer, end of summer, and they felt tight on my leg, which is the worst thing for me. These are fine. There's nothing crazy about them. The wash is cute. They do have a little bit of distressing, which is cute for the summer. I don't really care for that in the winter. It's a little cold. But I thought this whole look was cute, and let me take the blazer off. So this is the scoop scrunch blazer. Again, I pull it out all the time because you guys, it goes with everything. If you buy, whoops, sorry, one thing from my hauls, this would be a staple for sure. And I'm thinking, let me know in the comments down below of doing like a my favorites video of the season. And I'm just gonna pull clips from my videos and I will link everything for you and I'll make sure it's all still available. So let me know if you'd like that. I don't know if you guys remember from my cup sheet video, I did show this cute little knit cami. I just love this, you guys. I ended up wearing it out that same night that I showed it. And I just put a really neutral, not a shrug, but a very like cropped cardigan and it looked so cute. And look how cute this bag looks with that. I love this whole look, you guys. All right, so I'm gonna back up so you can get a better look at the jeans without the blazer. They are high-waisted, and even on me, who is short-waisted, they come up just to my belly button. I think they're really cute. Again, no stretch. Here is the back. I think the pocket placement is really nice. I feel like these remind me of a pair of Gap jeans from the 90s, which, you know, is good. They're nice, heavy denim. I don't think they'll be too hot, not heavy like that, but just like very well made. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Have any of you bought the scoop blazer yet? I think it's great. Like I said, it's so nice because even though it's a blazer, you can like ball it up and throw it in your tote when you're going out. It's just great. I don't know. It doesn't have that same blazer feel of like a suit blazer when you're wearing it. It's just comfy, almost like a sweatshirt. I love it, you guys. If I emphasize that enough. All right, let me switch into my last outfit and then we'll go over the lip combo. You guys are back with my last look and check it out. Yes? Shorts, and I'm wearing my Madden NYC braided platform sandals. I've been showing you guys these for quite a while and I'm in love with them. Also, I always wear it with this little cognac colored baguette that matches. We love this one. It's by Time and True. Someone told me it's on clearance. I'm not sure if it is. And then I put my sideways gold initial necklace on, and that is all I changed for my jewelry. But check out this shirt, you guys. I think it's the same shirt I showed you in blue. If I can find a picture, I will absolutely insert it here somewhere. But I sized up because I remember last time I had that really pretty baby blue sweater, just like this, I think. And I got it in a small and I found it to be so tight. It is so much nicer in a medium, you guys. I love the bell sleeves. I love the little V in the front. I love that it's a sweater for summer. It's nice and lightweight. And I always love, for whatever reason, to wear shorts with long sleeves. I just think it has such a cute and different look. Let me back up, give you the full view. And I love this. So these are shorts by Time and True. They are drawstring, except, is it functional? Yes, it's a functional drawstring, you guys. I wasn't 100% sure. And I love the neutral color. It's sort of khaki, sort of taupe, sort of green. $14.98. They're the Time and True. They actually list them as brown pull-on shorts. So I will make sure to link these below for you. I like the little fringe at the bottom. I'm wearing them in a size small. They have 2 pockets in the back. They're the perfect length. I would say that they're probably a 5-inch inseam, maybe 6 even. I'm not sure because I pulled them down a bit. I love time and tru sizing, you guys. So forgiving. Again, I'm wearing them in a size small. All right, you guys, let's show this lip combo. Guess who's back? Back again. Totally Toffee. Remember, it was like he and I were in a relationship and I couldn't let him go, but I did. I put him on the back burner for a bit, but he's back. And just like to go above and below, a little higher, not too much. And yes, I did my bronzer trick. And then I came in with another one that I haven't showed in a while. It's number 178 L'Oreal Nude Excessive. It's sort of an orangey, which is pretty for summer. And I even did some orange on my eyelids. Nude. Come in with that. Fill it right in. It goes very well with Totally Toffee. And then you guys, this is kind of just for fun and absolutely gives you some gloss. This is by Milani, and I just bought this one. And it is Fruit Fetish Cherry Lime Lip Oil. See that? Cherry Lime Fruit Fetish. I know, so fun. I had to have it. Reminded me of something when I was little. You guys remember those? What were they called? Oh, they used to have spearmint. It was like a roller ball of gloss. Anyway, right there. And right there. You kind of got to be careful with this one. It does have a red tint, so make sure it's blended in. It's transparent, but it's got a little bit of pigment in there. And that's today's look. Pretty simple, but I do like the moisturizing effect of the lip oil. The difference between the lip oil, I would say, and a gloss that I'm noticing is that this is moisturizing without that stickiness like a gloss has. So you might actually like it better. And I think it would be cute alone as well if you're just having one of those, you just want something on your lips, you're not lining and all that. This would be nice because it will give you some color as well. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. One last look at this. I feel like I blew through this last outfit here. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel and helps other people find me. And if you've not already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell for notifications. That way you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. I hope you all have a great week, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.